Ever noticed that some people earn $5,000 a month and still feel broke by the 20th? Imagine a young professional in Berlin or Chicago. After taxes, $5,000 becomes $3,800. Rent eats $1,500, car payment $400, student loan $350, and credit card bills another $400. That leaves just $1,150 for groceries, bills, and social life. The mistake isn't spending, it's upgrading your lifestyle every time the paycheck grows. Bigger apartment, newer car, more subscriptions, it quietly erases the extra income. We do it because it feels responsible, paying for what society says we should have. But the brain confuses comfort with progress. Over 5 years, that extra $1,000 per month you earn gets swallowed up. You might never save enough to invest or build real financial freedom. Financially intelligent people don't just earn more, they let their lifestyle grow slower than their income, so their wealth actually compounds. Earning well doesn't equal moving forward. Understanding that difference quietly changes everything. If this makes sense, consider subscribing for more practical financial insights.